Good afternoon, traders. It is Monday, September 16th, 2024, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Dow had another one of those 200 point positive runs again. It opened higher and then leveled off, closed pretty close to its high there, and it closed up 228 points. I didn't check to see if that's a record high. If it isn't, it's very close to one. Um, we had a day that started out absolutely terrible and ended to be a good day. I can't believe it. Anyway, we closed out positive $4,000 in 14 positions, and 12 of those were terrible negatives. Well, we had a great day trade that brought it all up to positive. I'll show you that in a second. And then we're carrying positive $14,000 in 4 positions going into tomorrow. So I'm going to show you the 2 best trades. I think that would be appropriate. And this first one is BBLG, which is Bone Biologics Corporation. And this started out a penny stock on Friday. Down here, this was the close on Friday. This thing was down like 85. It was 85 cents. And the whole range today up here was $2. So this thing went, more than doubled in terms of its range today. And that's why we trade these things, because you can make a lot of money on these because they can move very quickly. Anyway, it started out down here and it popped up, and we bought this thing. We bought this high. I mean, we bought this like at $1.75 or something like that. Can't remember. But anyway, it went against us, and then it came back up and closed near its high down here, and we are up $13,000 in Bone Biologics Corporation. So that's just a great trade. And then but the one that saved us from disaster today, and I got to show this to you in another piece of software. I won't explain all that, but it's the same trade. This is just a different version of TradeStation. Anyway, the trade here is GNLN, which is Green Lane Holdings. And we bought this about the middle of the day, and we have this thing in the algorithm that if a stock gains 40%, we just exit it, even though it's a day trade. Normally we don't day trade. We day trade on these days. And this thing just took off like a bird. And yep, we exited it right up there, 45% up, and we took positive $24,000 out of that. And we're out of the trade. So that offset all those bad losses, plus we still had a little profit on our exits. So we had just a great day, thank goodness. Anyway, you guys have a nice evening, and I'll see you tomorrow on Tuesday.